make them. How? Today na the 8th day of November 2021. 3 days of mourning in Sierra Leone. Today be day number 1. The president be announced on yesterday. I have a lot of people where be the contact Sierra Network asking, do we go to work or we stay home? The morning waiting for do. We have not get the answer. Because 3 days of mourning, flag fly half mast. Because the body then don't begin go bad. Then we get for bed today. Yes. 72 people then people then not be able to identify them. 72 people. The number don't reach up to 150 now. So the one them with them people they're not able to identify and bury them today. Some of the one them with them people then be even able to identify, but just want for make the young people then be part of the state burial. Then instead of them being buried in today. They all. But imagine people in the way they're not able to identify. So the government say all the cops them then get their own grave and then take DNA samples from all the cops them where they match with the graves them. So just in case down the road, family and begin for find out for see, it don't take small for more that team be where people this person not show up. Well, maybe in a part of them, then go try for do DNA testing and all of those things for see exactly which one per the cops then the body then they match them family and they will go they can ask question. And not to take it along get that DNA facilities there. And not to take it. You go ask say, what if we not be getting safe? Because even this, the government in the actually say this is what we're gonna do. Which is good. Because we have it. Where you get them, it gonna make life easy for everybody. But we have a broken healthcare system. We do. If you don't know, I don't know say your attention deal. And the saddest part is people them where they work in the healthcare system, it act for make them talk the truth about the broken healthcare system in Sierra Leone. News around, but again, you can check Vicky Remo in blog. She wrote about it. For say, even when government be the commander, though they can knock chest to we. Say doctors, then they nurses, then they supplies, then they boku. No, they were scrambling. Forget the things them we they need. And they say nobody not be there in charge. Nobody not take responsibility. What you call A go tell you say yes, we know say they need them, but check B. What you call B say yes, we think so. Maybe for check with C, we call C say yeah, we don't really say I need this thing, but we check with D so turning people around. And they turn people them around. or the one green healthcare system. You go ask a question, say, wait, okay, a little bit over 100 people burn, and our entire system is overwhelmed. People then say, yes, now because we not get born units. If we get born units and the country, we not get no born hospital. If we get born hospital, it will be fine. But then one day we sabi about this medical business, then we'll tell you about the few things that are needed. Whether they take dress bond and waiting for do. The other day we see Chinese embassy. Then self don't go do donation. World Health Organization self say they don't count donation. But before that, we lost people them. We lost patients them. We lost patients them. Then people had a fight for their life right now. And they fight for their life. But me can tell we Naya say, if this particular thing will happen in the salon now, yes, we don't get beaucoup. We at the end of the day, we don't get. Well, I mean, beaucoup different disaster, one after the other. We overwhelm with hospital, overwhelm with mortuary. This time around, we think say the mortuary did a good job. We not see body the Lidonado like the mudslide thing. You remember? We not see. Where you go say, well, the number not be beaucoup like mudslide. Maybe naimic. But I think mortuary learn from what happened on mudslide, so then be able for cater for them body then find and make even people were able to identify themselves. Now they no more they able for go. Now they no more able for go. For go identify body them. So the mortuary didn't do their own part. The workers are there. The doctors, the nurses, the cleaners, everybody really take part in the day. But if that thing we didn't need, no day. How? Eh? Because if behind the scene, I didn't know you go can't catch post, say this, we not get her more. We not get her. But if this one now no make we healthcare system able for put things in place for emergency. This morning we learn say Fire Force self gets a number for call in an emergency. But waiting funny, your number differ from your community, from the area where you live, from your neighborhood. The one they around Circular Road, they say na 300 for call. The one them within a Kisi, na 301. The one they within a Rokel, na 309. Like it's differ from area. Where usai we there, you know one number to call, 911. And even this number where you get for call, you get for be for a specific mobile company when I Africell. We say, well, what about Orange QCell? Oh, we not get number for them one day. So in an emergency, if you they carry a QCell or an Orange phone, you get for the first thing you get for big first. Who da get Africell? Who da get Africell? Then we don't get the Africell. You sabi the number for call. But we now waiting in Lanway. The first call 911. Then National Disaster Management, the agency, then a 1199. So all the number then different. 1199. And ISF, not for Africell no more. Not so for Orange, not so for QCell. Because I think, say, the first thing, if you take 30 minutes before police or the first responders then be reaching at that scene day. Because they say after 30 minutes, now in the explosion take place. So if we people let me don't land, even not to the one they go scoop the fuel, if somebody say for be there in the area and no say you for call this number. I don't stuck na traffic. I explained Anaya the other day. I go live na that traffic day. Police not be there. The military the way come, they say na road then be the fit for pass, then stock up na traffic, then fit for make the road clear so the motorcar go pass. And so then say end up there. We dey end up for 3 hours. I go to I come I dip at that same traffic day for another 2 hours. So you go wonder, say, wait, will that traffic be blocked? Because that traffic they blocked, they go na the toll gate. So the toll gate safe, I'm talking about this one. I need to talk about the accident, the fuel tanker accident. I talk about the one maybe stock up. So the toll gate safe, they not get number for call police. For say, you know what? The traffic you don't block take kind of toll gate too. You might want to check what's happening up there by Yams Farm. But that's how we just talk, you see, don't? Say I go live. For how many hours? If I get for turn them off? So people in the point finger at the police. Say na the police then and they not do them work. Because if they be do them work, police now go they look say, no, in accident, they don't pull landing away and they don't give the road safety cops them. Road safety cops know they work for 24 hours, so then they off. Eh? Then they off for. In case you don't know. How we go sort this out? Eh? Now the one green salon we will get. Maybe today, you not been there for the burying. Make or just listen the president at the burying today and another young man we lost in wife. Make we listen.
I've come to the climax of our meeting, wherein we'll invite His Excellency, the Fountain of Honor, who is the Chief Honor, to have this golden opportunity to address the nation as we're here today. Your Excellency,
Are they live?
listen, please. The Honorable Vice President, Chief Minister, Ministers of Government, the Mayor, Municipality of Freetown, the food and we come, we lost people them directly, the relatives them, and we all with among us, fellow citizens. This is a very sad event we come witness. To pay respect to our brothers and sisters, we don't pass in a very tragic event. As the pastor say, death is inevitable. That means say, from the day when they born you, you get for no say, you get for die. But not to so. Enough of be too sudden. Enough of be too gruesome as how we brothers and sisters don't experience. Within I am one for make the bereaved family, the one that we lost people them directly, but they know say This is not a loss for Salone, not just a loss for them. And for men to take heart and also get faith that we as a country recommend all of them when we don't pass to God, the Almighty, for make it go get mercy on them and grant them merciful judgment. I also want to implore we all as a nation, not only for can give a dignified burial to brothers and sisters tonight, but also the one them were sick and still in a hospital, for now give support to national medical team, for me to give them enough comfort and waiting to make we not go lose further. Today, within as a country, we will be united at all times, especially in time of grief, and we'll get a kind event here soon. I want to beg we all, not to the time this for blame, make we reflect on what did not happen. I don't say in my broadcast last night, we go investigate today what happened, what will lead to this. And as a society, what we go do collectively, not just government, not just the local government, not just the authorities, but we all, what we for do, so that they can see us number, not for the happen to we. It is preventable. We can do. You know when they make all countries of the world, what do they call that English? What do they call the rule of law? A rule-based society. Now for make order day. Now for make we know they make certain bad things that know they happen. If somebody hurt you, you for know who say they go. I want for bakery. May we use this occasion for appeal. The laws and what they make in the country. Now for make we avoid some of the things. Accidents, you know they stop. But some accidents we can able to prevent them. So, we fumble them. This is not a very sad event, and we all don't come for make we say we last tata to them. This, it will be a solemn event, although I see that some people come for can bury people, then they make so much noise, and officers they even listen to the reverend them. Or the imam where can I help for? Listen to. This all they talk about collective discipline. Ladies and gentlemen, if we look with brothers and sisters, we can pay final respect to them. At least we for keep them not the short and listen to the father them and listen to the imam them. What you get for common I for God say? We repeat the same mistakes? No. I'm lost of words. Every day we grumble say development all day, but development all day can partially discipline ourselves. So from today, I want to say this again. Not a sad moment for all, but in a time we for reflect. What do we do to prevent this? We all, not the government, not the policeman no more, not the Sujaman, but I want to use also this occasion to say thank you to all the authorities, from the police, the soldier them, the National Disaster Management Agency. We coordinate with international partners. We don't begin get support from with friends. Some don't begin coming. Some they land tomorrow, and more people than they come. We want to save the lives of many with the excruciating pain. I don't go to the hospital. The kind of pain where I see is very unbearable. So this is now a moment for reflect how we go able to save all the one day within the hospital then. Ladies and gentlemen, in the name of Jesus, I commit each and every one of them one day so we don't pass. Now God in hand. May God get mercy on them and grant them merciful judgment. Let's continue to pray as a nation for the repose of their souls in perfect peace. Thank you.
Fortunately, I will forget one of the victims, a husband, where, of course, this young man, a very saddened, very saddened, you know, because I able for catch him at the Bengon. What are you doing, sir?
My name is Mohamed Sanfakou, man.
All right. You know one of the victims. Now, who's victim this?
This is one of the most popular North way people they talk about now this accident where happened.
Okay.
They work na the Okupa government hospital.
Oh, now you have?
Na me work, yeah.
Wow. So how you managed caught up into this fire?
Yeah, the short and long story, but me left from na house. If they prepare for take one of in patients them, one woman we gets belly newly. So like then they prepare for go register this woman. For can go to hospital for go register this woman. So like me left them, me and the woman, me go, I go walk. After some time, I come back. After some time, I come back. Work, I'm going to meet again.
Okay.
That's I believe the last time I will see me. So like, he go, then go walk. After we don't register this new belly woman, so the belly woman in return, in left, by walk. Because that time I be late, he be there. And late, he can go normally around 11, 12 o'clock. Hopefully for come then 9 to 10 o'clock. Then for don't kind of house now.
Okay.
So like, I believe with that same time they were described so, and then they left the hospital, it come. And they come now, we can't fall in this particular accident where happened so.
Okay. So you take no.
Yeah, now so I take no. And I end up for no through a friend where to the worker.
Okay.
According to this friend, and you self-witness now where the other person tell me the same thing.
Yes.
This friend also they come, tap that Maxwell.
Okay.
According to this friend, he said tap na Maxwell, a condom.
Yes.
Where a condom at the same taxi where they also load.
Now you continue.
Now this may wave in continue. They come, so according to the lady, he said no, 10 to 15 minutes. Now they already blast.
Okay.
So the next thing they can do, you know, say I hear this person they come.
Yeah.
What thing he do now? I call him. He call him and phone off. He call him, he phone off. What thing he do now? That friend he rush back, go to the street, he take bike and trace, go. He say he run go, able to identify the taxi where they will be load. And 100% convinced in friends that the taxi. Exactly like where that other young man tell me that he say able for see him. He say himself go save him, but the fire make it afraid. And you send a witness, you able for see that one.
All right. So I want to say my sympathy, and we pray say God will console you, and continue to protect your courage.
Yes, sir. And lastly, what I want to say, this now like directly to government now, be president, be minister, be everybody we responsible for like health business, health issues in Sierra Leone. I want to take this responsibility for big everybody, whether they possible for understand in English now in Creole, they say so. For able for come now, Ogu community inside this woman come out way die so this senior nurse. I want everybody able for come there. And when you come there, you can see the hospital where they can build. They can build hospital or clinic, community clinic for this particular woman. Okay. Everybody come and see what I do for this woman. Happy life, able for city. Hospital or clinic, community clinic for this particular woman. Okay. Everybody come and see what I do for this woman. Happy life, able for city.
Yes, this is very sad. Now, just one of the people them where I be they tell you about just now say, some man na pass ibi the past. That woman na us ibi they go. When I say other people them go share almost the same story. The man say he build small hospital for his wife na Owogu. Eh? We go try make the camera go wakade. Make we see. Maybe they build for your wife, but in wife not go for day again, for sit down one day. Where they done? Can you imagine that? Eh? It last away seeing wife na morning. Ain't go work. The wife safe now okay go. They return home. So I believe see the government, so you have to organization them, then for take up on that hospital they then build and done in the memory of that woman day. They need to do that. They really need for do. We know so good as time they unfold, not so good from people them we able to identify their own people them and able to explain to we like how Mr. Sanfa explained, but in with Zainab. Sad, eh? Zainab don't begin that for do that fire. Now, who's in they go? Us, and there they go. God help us. Now make I just let you listen. Even when the dinner the being gone, people still they cause noise. I know say that man they no be they cause noise. Team up sufful. They think far. Now make the other dinner, yeah. I see wait and see then they give psychosocial support and all these things. No, they didn't go look for them. Let them talk to them. Because Sierra Leoneans, we are not groomed that way for say something they do you and you can't talk. Eh? No. But these are the kind of people they need for go talk to. Then did it. Then are the communities them. Let them fend them. Let them talk to them. Let them give them that psychological support that they needed. When this man talk, tell me say he not shake you. Tell me ba, make I hear you. Say he not shake you. Imagine a grown man crying for his wife. Make them all soul rest in peace. The scar where this don't left, it get for there for a long time to some people them. Even you self where they listen. Even some of we where we go salon. Or get for pass that road day. Eh? It must camper you. Because most of we where they dead east, they pass that road day. They pass that road day. Me I no like for pass day, but the breed where they buy in a shell company and can make a pass day. Just imagine maybe somebody else, not just like me. Now breed can kind of shell company make it they pass the way they pass around. Because the breed they get a shell, I don't think you can even get an anomaly safe. So now you can make they pass day. We know say we dey in state where we dey now, so we spend too much time. Lord bring come us friend for just a few minutes. Make we waiting to get for waiting. Welcome on board, us friend. You get the platform.
Yeah, thank you very much, Triple A. We just continue for say we sympathy and condolences to all the one that will not die, that will fight for their life, let God give you one day with effect for your life. A way for let them go well. And then the other don't involve or help in one way or the other, let God help them. Regarding the 3 days of mourning what the president don't declare, I only hope say people then go observe according to what they need for do. But here, would you look at this issue what don't happen? Would the question most times, because we not the one for point a finger at somebody in a blame form. As the president say, they are a reflection. But when we reflect, let we sometimes think say it's difficult actually for we go come out from the state of policy making as a state government. Policies we regard all life aspects, security in the road, transport, health, agriculture, how this then will able for change into action. And this process of the difficulty in policies then to action, they can range from many reasons, either because of negligence, or sometimes we not get the resource, or sometimes we not get the people that we know how to do them thing there, or sometimes not just because they not get this so-called when they get together, in other words, in terms of looking at a way where you are able for share responsibilities, so that when there is a crisis, how to do a solution towards them. So, but the difficulty in making this decision there now, because the difficulty it can be in delivering, but delivery is because of the policy and the actions them. But the policy then can be, but when the action then they're not able to put them in a way where they will structure them for things that we will get or what we don't receive, or where we know how to do, or what we get for request, so that we can make, let's say, the health sector. Now, Lord, put onto the health sector. How we go able to put these things together? There comes the challenge. But as we always say, we only pray say that volume where they inside these policies and what we're able to put into action, let we try for a narrow and down. We narrow and down because it's not easy after a decade of on and off. Some of the infrastructure and the decay small with some of them will be need expansion, like the health sector. We don't get different tests. We don't get different call to action. We they put them in place gradually. From the Civil War, we get those cases of bonds. We don't get a lot of them because the rebel then they get a time and they lock people and they host set fire. We get big cases of them because I see them cannot. When we do rehabilitation, we do reintegration, when we receive those funds, before they begin to think of those statistics of areas that will be lack and the medicine and the security, then begin to put them in form gradually. But as they say, actions and can come delayed only because of policies that are not being looked into reviewing. So we give for just things now, government then who don't get to give for try, they can bring things now. Then they try to bring this together, but let them look at the size, let them look at waiting the faults that be there, all the things they are. And then now they look at that issue of the fire itself. Now we try to think of investigation, we think of how we were able to put the information together, and this involves different processes, because when you look at what they happen now, they get pictures and photos and where they different of the processes that will happen. You get the process where they get the settings, because I don't see aerial view. When there will be an aerial view, that's one picture. They get another one where they take mid-range. In other words, they're specific for say, now the range inside the object fixed. You see, they snap the two tanker, they snap this. Then you get back the other one, how you able fit them things there where they do the investigation for let you get the framework of the actual thing itself. So they pray God say, this process, what they do, it will able to help them more so that they will able to restructure other than they get for point finger at somebody directly. Because you go say, if the tire not, if the engine not being wrong, and we forget that vehicle. Then you go say, okay, if that man not be put in cigarette down under, the fire no go day. So, but you go for address them from the back, then gradually they come forward. Other than tomorrow, they can begin to find people who are scapegoats of things them with all the, but because of sometimes they pray let them get the idea of how they will get them picture. You want the one they will get them telephone pictures they will take, you get the one they want that aerial one, they put them together, then look the faults so they will able to address them. They're not going to put them directly to people there. They're not going to say, well, the driver be don't take enough for go, or then go say, well, then why will we see that picture that is responsible? Because there are pictures who are live people next to the thing. But only the praise say all this process it will able to come to a way wherein the country go land, the Standard Bureau will know their own responsibility and call them to action. Then the government empower them because recently they talk about them not get better forensic. We are responsible for vehicle parts. We are responsible for no things and well done in terms of that area. Then the health sector will they get people who are ready for work. The one that are ready for work when I try for say this is what I need to do. You see, because then people and then go down affect because the skin already. Now one of the areas where I believe see doctor we don't talk about is very, very sensitive. Now infection, some of them go down there because the body itself is trying to help you follow infect sick. Like the first line of defense where they get infection. So if you see them break that layer, especially people with second and third degree, if they think of tetanus injection. But I don't know because even the time of the world we'll be shutting tetanus injection for a long time. We will later will get some. But I believe say all those shortages are the things we don't get for they look into. See, not they say we put our we expect fire. But would they put them in place wherein would they get the capacity where people can go there, where people can go able to deal with this and the technical know-how because the bonds already you get to know what they dress out with, how you prepare them. Some of them are the other day, they don't wrap them body with different things and bring them come, all those things. And then they get for the help the people at the community. At that time they get for the know people and for the know about first aid. People and get for the know what they do when incidents happen. I'm not saying they not take picture. I'm not saying they not go near or they go far, but let them know certain things. But if they come to with culture, who they get for the change, like how they say, the new things they would learn, what are easy way would they do them, now they will get for a chat with the culture. And when you are chatting with the culture and understand how for pull and put, they will go before time they see one like the technology with they around with, how we able use them for help others. So that when that police they been there, or that driver, he goes straight away, no side for call. That when they call, if at the community somebody said he said go get a reflex, like how you talk about that number, they don't get nothing for say pass the location. If they go, the message is spread. So now so then will able reduce casualty. Then therefore look into all those things to directly no more that more to work hit, you don't damage that one day. There is a broad spectrum. But only hope say as the president they say, they try for no say that the rule where they behind the order, the people they know they behave and development they only come with the people and discipline. That is true. But we know one those statements for them will become metaphoric. When they try for talk metaphoric, they use them as indirectly for say, I can go see them because that's what the people want to see. You get for go beyond and try help for say the discipline of the people. I get for separate them and then I get for know how the development they come for meet with the people or they know the type of people what they deal with because you know see what discipline or development will come again, but you get for know how you did put those development or also you get for can start for develop usai indiscipline no go day because the development are there in the country. Once you start them, now then go reflect on the other one the way you say no go need you go need discipline for be done. But when you get the one that we be saying and then go start off for let discipline go be spread and then you go find out discipline always difficult. So you go always feel as well if I can't put this here, then go damage them. But you get for know the line where you draw between development and how people have to know about discipline. Whose development you get for start, whose you get for try. If you know, say, sometimes you might see the economy is hard to develop, but sometimes many Saharan countries they can ignore how to set up the economy. And if you set up the economy, it is difficult. They gradually build on the other platform. Then from there, so you go see them they go. So now they see they begin to draw the attention of discipline. Just like I can say, when lion in a bush, if you go there, it's very wild. But what if they make then they pull out, they can't put out and go look at a zoo. You know, they vet people and because then they change in style. Then put am outside, e dey feel hungry first. Then when you don't feel hungry, then they begin the land for game and food where they get discipline. So you see now a different land from the jungle where you just go say you go work and no more abruptly where you not go damage you. So these are the process because human process is the mind, and the mind is the one that need develop and then they bring discipline and then they bring behavior. The minds of the politicians, the mind of the civilians, the ones that own at the NDA, and the tricks say now they why they for involved. The only good thing why they try for praise decide what they don't do because of other things they don't come, they manage for third due to the other area owner, the national development disaster agents. They don't pull all tissues and DNA samples for let them be able to identify them people in the near future who they not able to identify the tissues and then go get the DNA keep on there. And then you want to go, you say then go check the DNA if you're able to identify because the grave they all get tags with the people them with the ID numbers. So that's the good thing what I believe say they work and let them they try to think of more things for build on that for other aspects. But the education and people are knowing it not go easy, but now government get for find routes of bringing in resources and strategies. Now you go make people attitude go change. Because you see the behavior of the youth that have they see. You see the same youth they behave for run go for go loot. You see the same youth sometimes survive, do in the car and then go dig them grave then they so that next time then they get for the separate that behavior out from them. Say no, that ain't behavior they pull. But you get for create that platform. Even though the youth minister we see they doing only tool, but we don't know how big this will able for reflect on the youth's voice in terms of people we need for help and waiting that the responsibility as youth and voting the responsibility of the leaders, the community leaders, the health leaders, the traditional leaders, all those kind of things, so that you will get thing where people are aim for get decentralization. All side would they get. Now they see decentralization of just mainstream economy. Then at the bank they no more they go open. Now then they go open areas them na upline. Then the government back they try for open other things them. So you go distract the people them like how they say. When they discipline, they distract them with something. And then they get small people and they go. They want the way they get the energy for performing at home. The energy they are using it in the farm. Because you see the energy what they use for pull up petrol, they use that for dig the ground, for go make graves. For put the graves there and gather the body then. So then they transform that sense there with that energy in the farms. So this is what I was saying. So let God try for help we in narrowing the path of risk management. I don't think that I get for continue for the do. We thank you to all the one that we involved. We see WHO don't bring tons of help. We see the Chinese don't bring tons of help. But letting they know say that thing they are, let not be knee-jerk action when a short term. Then they reflect on that, point finger directly where they go convict somebody because of we lost them. Because if now other country that will smoke, if they will detect and get on a camera, then we'll begin again see a manslaughter. But it's not gonna work because no country because of the traditional laws and the system. But we hope see when they are doing this, they will build structures and not blaming people then. And you avoid metaphoric statement. You go say discipline and this. Where you go see the truth, but maybe they use them for camouflage other things. If you know they use them for camouflage things, well, you get for deliver. And I know say it's difficult for policies to turn to action. But in terms of implementation, that one they will pray for. Thank you very much. Let God give the secret, the hand don't pass, the good road, and the one that we left, let God give them good medicine. Thank you very much for giving the platform, and thanks a lot for all the effort we do. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Let God bless you all.
Thank you very much, your friend.
Welcome, yes, sir.
That's the us friend. Waiting he gets for we today. You know it in sorry. Life in Sierra Leone. They go on normal, Life they go normal. The event na stadium. They on like nothing happened. That's great fear. Outside where you go by 7, they no go able to hear nothing because of social music. It is going right now like nothing happened in the country. The other day, people then they na number 2, they say they go start the Christmas celebration just yesterday with bonfire all night. Like normal. Most of we they follow social media, where you go salon. Yeah? You didn't know less about things that are going on than where you did out. We make Italic say Sierra Leone, they like a cup of water. You will hold the cup. Now you dey peep inside for look waiting the inside the cup before you drink them. The one them with the inside the cup care less about waiting they go on at the surrounding. And so I look and like. So I began to tell somebody, I say, apart from the people them that are directly affected by this, I say the beginners na social media idea. Because in Sierra Leone, it's life as usual. Yesterday we see where when they pass with the cops and more especially outside the incident happened, people then be they cry. We get for stop there, AYV stop there, because we be there in between AYV and SLBC. Then stop there and you see people and they cry better and also not devil all. Then stop there back, a lot of people were crying. But life goes on. I mean, people then be they actually, what did I say this morning? What thing get for happen? Or they sit on house, now like holiday, or they go work, like we don't even know. This morning, the National Disaster Management Agency, within AYV, then be there 98.1. All man they try for clearing your name. But you go feel to see, with the president declaring 3 days of mourning, if then be don't put a stop to, say for 3 days, to the trade fair where they go on a stadium, I think Sierra Leoneans them, Fritonians them, and for don't know small say this is serious so. But my dear, some of our friends, some of our folks that we know that are in Sierra Leone right now, we know say then the stadium, they chill, they get them nice. See who that die? Eh? Nayon. System. I don't think say that 3 days they go hot any business. We don't go they say waiting. Is it because na business? Well then go say they not stop the one them we open shop, restaurant. So why then for stop the one them where they go for go get nice time na stadium? China donate. I see somebody comment say, why then get for with safety? What the thing happen before then good? Why then get for wait till the thing happen before then go donate? So then be getter. They no say we need and they no give we. But then keep and they wait till wait something that happen now. Hey. So if they're not being given, even though they get her. With WHO, 6.6 tons of things the way they send. Other person they say, Salon, we alter we big pass then give we. They want them with the big na street. The one they na Kisi Road. The one they cutting tigi. Yeah? Talk to people the modern fit for pulling at gate. Talk to people that don't try to make them self-sufficient. Let them tell you, see, you get into, say you provide ideas for them, for just stay put in one spot. No, do business, no. Because they say the money then they make na ticket pan bigger. You go out for make them make when they do business. Well, you just look inside the number now and see which country will fit inside under. Get all kind deals. Say to fish now, what I say for get deal for her. But wait to get for sure. Because I know they count the diamonds. And in our old story now. Agriculture. You watch the bearing today. Organization. System. On not sabi. You watch her. For go pull the cups them for come spread them out. All man they give direction. All man. No, put a yanda. No, you can over yanda. You can like nobody. I looked there, I was like, saloon. Even in this, we not get one person we go take the lead. One person we go take lead, do not get. When they started, Sine Kamara for the burial team, he was there. Okay, on a car with the first body on a car on a puta. After that, forget you. All man they give directives. We can't even do something with system. There was a scene, maybe some of you not take notice. But a scene happened when the AYV van stopped. This is not the road one. When the AYV van stopped. So the bike riders then don't come a lot. You know, say themselves lost people in there. Then become a lot. So then try for make let them not pass like the AYV on motorcar. Then try for make let them not pass them. One particular bike rider. Now he come outside, pass. I don't know for the bike rider then if somebody did it in a lead. When they broke, he pass, he fling out and come like for say, not tell me what him for do. Now they chase him back. He go meet I tell and say, go behind back. Go behind. Go behind. Which is good. And he go behind back. Wait till make I say this. We need forget control. Usai then come it first, the camera crew them, they say, una push you, una go yanda, una push go behind because we get for can push. So man don't push go. We get the main streaming media them. Yes, we have a network over there. We get the mainstream media them. All they want they with cell phone. They can block the main camera them. You know, like if Papa God, who can't organize camera crew na ya una day. Hey, you get your camera one snap if you not sabi zoom, not cross that line day. Everybody they outside it, they nobody know they not for begin push people. If una no say una get for use here, why allow people for can settle na here? You go say, well, una say everything una dey pick. This thing na just impromptu. They not be plan am. Even for spread out the cops them. Yeah. Una know already how many cops them una dey carry it. And this, I just bring this for systems. Yeah? Una know already how much body they una dey carry it. Una for don I mark how then they spread out. Till reach outside the person way for day for dan day for don day. We don't do in work already. Where the first one can say put here. Next. Now so everybody they outside if for day they don't barricade everything they smooth. No, we salon, no sabi. No. All the man get for you make yanda no put here. Well, let them push no, you not do it too. Who said them for put that one? Oh, well, let them come out yanda. Okay, when I then get for camp. Even to when then they do the dust to dust, people they will get phone. They all long car because they are connected to the power grid. They all candy. They can't block. Outside the world they watch. Go waiting do. I be all the uncle we connect to dan we connect to dan in phone. Instead one snap. Then tell we say then go give a dignified burial. My Kekuka say not to be a dignified one, no, be a chaotic one. Just come and say Tripoli, the burying, it be disorganized. Me I not believe safe. They can't even find enough space for spread out the coffin there. It's not easy. That's so we can always say. It's not easy. Now, as they say, check, now for pull phone. Pull phone? Yeah? Can't look we. I'll get on today. They block people. Not for the end, why you did it? Because now we connect. We hope they learn from this. Dan Mossier him be just announced. The president no kite. But the cops themselves have not reached it. Yeah? President no kite. Where he come? Well, kudos to the burial team. The young man the way dig the grave them. Did you notice something? You noticed something? I don't know if you did. Go back, all lengthy already talk. Go back, make you go watch that video. If you don't notice, not long ago. At 2 hours, 10 minutes, no more. The August 14 mudslide graveside. You notice something? Say Bush Donkobara. I don't know if you notice so. Bush 90D. You could barely see the headstone them with them boots. You could barely see it. Because na grass na full up there. We want make you for us this. So we then can go bury na this Boli Maya. Because they don't take them for say each disaster will happen na the grave side na yanda na the grave side dey. So after then can don't go put say done. Because if bush cover and so and this one not to Fritongo, this now Western Area Rural District. Now under the not to Fritong. For say just now go say, oh well, now that one way I may Akisa be the talk, but not to end this. But who that supposed to take care of the grave side? Eh? Who that supposed to take care of her? Because Dandy, it's unkept. We go visit there. The camera get for go Wakadi. Get for go Wakadi. Now we see how they turn. At the salon this one. I hope say this time around I go able to meet with Michael. Because Michael Cook had actually waiting Holland cash or cold they do. Maybe if I meet with them, then they could be part of the question. Judge Kamara say them for be done very much earlier in the day. He send the president back, he no go quick. And then be the race against time because the place be don't begin dark. Then self talk am. I self talk and say then they hurry because the place don't begin dark. So they make an bayang. Well, then go see because they not be planned for bed today, but well, this morning when they wake and they say, well, some of the body them not they fine again, no, because we know mortuary now. We will keep all the body the correct one. So then see some of the body them be don't begin go bad. So they have to lay them to rest today. So now there is in that. After we don't mourn done. Yeah. Yeah. And see, the president don't promise we. Say, then go investigate. But let it wait till we mourn done. We don't mourn done. Because we na social media na really be in us day. So they mourn on social media. Because right now, so they talk, go stadium, look then they. Because me I not see any harm in making all those entertainment places then close for 3 days. I not see any harm, but what do I know, Seth? My Keko say the mortuary. Now only one cool room na in the work. So I'll go expect them for keep Amos body them. About Lance and I say, well, until you sabi, Saloma no sabi time. Nayana Salon. Now we go left all thing today. Now we go left all thing today. I will see if anything new come and this talk. If not, something the way they boil. Oh, need for laying a table. Let no go poil. Yeah, me say don't begin rhyme. That's also. Something the way they boil. Enough for poil. Because we are laying a table. All man by word now. All man by word, we hold them. Resident to don't promise we thorough investigation. I just hope Salon police. So not to wait you yourself the real man they talk because the story then different. All man get his own story. Eh? Now make sure na do una investigation properly. Because if now wait you na the in social media, we get people who interview. We don't upload na Facebook part 1. Listen to that your Monday story. I explain I'm saying be did it. Tomorrow we will upload part 2. Let you waiting the other person in say. All the man get you on salon. If you know what, you go subtract. Na mortal man self. Maju say 3 this morning. What I them work today? The money no depend. Outside government, NIA they collect the money. They ain't money for that one day. The money na for the flag where they go up before tap halfway. Eh? On day for tap. I see, what you can say? Salon, it's not easy. What you can add the back? Let God help we. How? How God the can help we? What I give you that word they say? Eh? They use that word it other people don't say anything. God the help, the one they will help themselves. So if we say let God help you, well, and don't tell now say if God for help you, God in the help the one they will help themselves. Well, healthcare system no good. Let God help we. How? The system is broken. Let God help we. Police thing. And then number 1 pan bribery. Let God help we. How? How God did help we? Eh? We get emergency numbers them more. May I can able help you with some 1199 disaster management and then they will be talk about that when was it? When they prepare for the flooding just in case there rains. Now then go talk to our free cell. I don't know why Orange, QCell, a free cell, they all can't use one number. You come and see, people take 10 toko, and you not say just now you not believe pan God. But it's true though. That's so can say let go there, pui. And maybe they ask how. How we expect God for Epui? And the candle. Mm-hmm. But the president says Salon go bounce back. As this at the time where Salon people for come together. Just like the mudslide, just like the flooding. We na bobo pin them. If not to water, na fire. If not to fire, na sick. You know they go so, not a big go small. Okay. We'll go there back tomorrow, yeah? The disaster management director general, he been at AYV this morning. Michael Coker just they remind me, yeah? When they ask a question, they say yes. Not forget to say, this na new ministry. This na we na baby force. Na just 1 year no more. Just 1 year, but then create them for a reason. Eh? The big boy in the Patrick Dominion say we need for find a present Adidas so we can hold them responsible. I don't understand, Patrick. Judge Kamara say where people in they say let go there pui. They say it look like say people in can they use that phrase they just for cope. Because they can feel like say they not get any hope. Depressing. It's not easy. Yeah. The nurses, the doctors, so thank you for how they do good work. One of the nurses that we can give free talk. Not this time around. Yeah, we know say we get the good ones, them, we get the one them. Wait, now all what you go do day at the same thing. Come on, I push back. Make so. Would I hear boku botuna? We no say this time we no go hear. We no go hear that. Say na so na be the fling talk give them. There is this YouTuber, George. We lost in daddy not too long ago. He do a video. Na Sierra Leone. I don't know if you don't watch the video. Where it says Salon healthcare system let and down. The thing with the patient say no want. So then put them they feel uncomfortable. And then put parenty the loss in life. So dear, we not sure they provide the care, but now please listen to the patients them. Una please. Yeah? We not sure mean well for them. But una listen to them no more. Or they beg. Because it's on video. The person I don't want her, they make her feel uncomfortable. The lady say get for big them. But let them pull them para. I see them commode, then put them para. Na morning, the pa die. We know say una can mean well, but they are or they big. You see when they pull on pareil de breathe, normal, they tell them, say, see, they left me so. I'm fine. So the patient saying fine, una say no. Okay. Oh. Like a cook, say the only disease organ a salon, malaria and typhoid. Right. La left here. We will meet up back now tomorrow. Till we meet again. Tige policy. Tata.